Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Another video in the series for those who are doing job and become better in their workspace. If you implement these tips, these will help you to grow and promote. My friends, if you want to successful, you must have some niche. Niche means specialty. Something unique to you. This thing or habit which help you reorganize or easily remember. It possible soft skill. Some technology knowledge or thing that no one can do better than you in your company. In soft skill. I remember Mr. Joan. He knows every colleague's names. Whenever you visited him or you meet in coffee break, he asked you about those. I remember in one insurance company Ms. Judy knows every clause about insurance contract done with client. And whenever boss asked her about that specific client, without no time she explained everything about that client. Similarly, Mr. Ahmed is product manager in software company. He knows everything about product. What feature added and which feature delivered to specific client and what discussion was done. Then other than these examples, you have some expertise in specific area, for example, no one can done better than you. Your work has less mistakes. For example, if you develop some report, then you must be famous for report development and your boss must have trust on you. And whenever similar work comes, he asked about you this task. If you are freelancer, then you also need to build niche. That niche means expertise. Same expertise others don't have on internet. That no one can compete on across the globally. How to build niche? There are 3-step process to build a niche. Identify. Decide. Efforts. Identify. You can identify these things by 2 ways. By monitoring yourself or by getting feedback. Start monitor what you are doing on daily basis. Make a journal on it. Note down everything. Within weeks you easily identify. Many times, we already have skill or strength, which we either ignore or neglect. For example, one task you already done by spending long period of time. And you built strength on it. Now it need to polish and show to management. Or possible thing you unintentionally do. For example, you remember everything boss told you or what type of requirement comes from client. And what type of feedback given to the client. Possible you have nice negotiation skill. When you last time goes to boss and discuss about some important matter and you convince others to do things in specific way. Possible you have follow-up skills. You can identify the deadlines and things you can deliver. Possible you have capability to write better. You spent time to write good email. Possible you can client engagement skill. You can made specific reports in no time. You have skill in Excel with no match. The report others made. You can do within much with others. Possible you have skill in validated and close things. Second way is feedback. What others say about you. Start to listening them. You certainly have both. Negative and positive one. Claim and start focus what others said about you. In coffee shop. In galley and meeting room. And sometime in your behind. There you find your strengths and weakness. On working on weakness and strength on both way you build your niche. Decide. Know you have clear understanding your niche. It already you have it or you want to build. If you already have, you have to polish it. If you don't have it, then you have to build it. Then you need to decision. Which you need to work on. This step helps you stay focused. During effort portion many times our monkey minds start to ask do something else. That is better. It is tough, but if you already done this step, you can avoid this voice in your mind and told decision is already won. Now it's time to just focus, no second thought. And why I took decision to achieve or built that niche. Now it's no time to think again. Take your time to decide. Write down why you chose this niche to build. What are advantages you will gain after and what will be your losses? Efforts. Then put efforts to polish it. Ways to improve it. I shared you about Lady Miss Judy, who knows every contract information for client. On monthly, even weekly basis. She read same insurance contract over and over again. She like it or not, she did same activity over and over again. Mr. Joan maintained a journal. At the end of day, he noted every information he got from the person he meet. And frequently he revised that information. I already shared Mr. Ahmed maintained an Excel sheet, which contains dates and information and client reply. And he frequently explore his notebook to revise these information. So if you decided to work on some skill spreadsheet, code or making report or presentation skills, you need to be expert whatever required to do your job. For this you have to spend hours and hours. Do smart work. Spend extra hours to build that strength. So my friend, in this video I shared you how to build a niches or carve a niches. You have to identify it, then decide and put efforts to build or polish it. It takes time. It said Rome wasn't built in a day. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe this video. See you in next video.